Here's a short video to show you how to connect an email address to Filogix Expert Pro. Syncing your email address allows you to view your calendar in your dashboard and send emails directly from the platform. To do this, go to your personal settings, select Email Preferences, then click on Connect Email. Once you review the notification, you can click Connect and enter the email address you'd like to sync with the platform. Then click Sign In. Follow the steps to continue through the process and ensure to allow all access. When the page reloads, head to your Email Preferences section, where you should see the email address you added. On your dashboard, you will now see your calendar. It may take a few minutes to load if you have a lot of events. To add more calendars, you can go back to your personal settings and sync additional email addresses. In the Email Preferences section, select Resync/Add Email, then follow the steps to enter another email address. Any additional email addresses you connect will be used only for the calendar and will not be used to send or receive emails. That's how to connect an email address to Filogix Expert Pro.